Hello everyone. Today we will start chapter 2 fractions. Right? In this chapter we will learn fraction, comparison of fractions, lowest term of fractions, addition and subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a fraction, division of fraction. First we will start from fraction. Right? What is fractions? The number of the form a upon b where b not equal to 0. It means ki b should not be 0. Where a and b are whole numbers is called a fraction. Here a is called numerator and b is called denominator. Like this, a is numerator and b is denominator. B should not be 0. Right, like example 2 upon 3, that is a fraction. Right, 2 upon 3, 1 upon 5, these all are fraction. Now we will discuss about types of fractions. First is proper fraction. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then the fraction is called proper fraction. Like 1 upon 3, here is 1 numerator and 3 is denominator. 1 is less than denominator, it means this one is a proper fraction. Improper fraction, if the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. Right, like see example 5 upon 3. Here is 5. 5 is numerator and 3 is a denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. 5 is more than denominator 3. Okay. Now third fraction is like fraction. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Like fractions, same denominator, whose denominators are same. Like 2 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7, etc. Unlike fraction with different denominators. Like fraction is this, whose denominators are same. And unlike fraction is different denominators, like unlike a fraction, like 1 upon 2, 5 upon 7, 4 upon 9, etc. See, denominators are different. 2, 7 and 9 are denominators and they are different. Unit fraction whose numerator is always 1. 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9, etc. Now mixed fraction. Fractions having whole number along with the proper fraction are known as mixed fraction. 1 is whole number and 2 upon 3 is a proper fraction. When we will combine both of them, then it is a mixed fraction. 1 into 2 upon 3. Right? Now, next is decimal fractions. Fractions having denominator as 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fractions. Like 7 upon 10, 3 upon 100, 40, 1 upon 1000, etc. Equivalent fractions. A given fraction and fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero are called equivalent fractions. Like 2 upon 3, 4 upon 6. When we will cut now 4 upon 6, then your answer will come 2 upon 3. Same as these are equivalent fractions. Vulgar fraction. Mostly we are not using this fraction, but we will discuss. A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a vulgar fraction. Like 7 upon 8. These numbers are not enough. 3 upon 17, 19 upon 20, 23 upon 39, etc. So these are the types of fraction. Right? Now we will do the topic. First we will do the topic is topic wise. convert into lowest term. It is exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1, right? Convert into lowest term. Lowest term you can do by two methods, right? First is you can do the simple cutting. You know very well, in previous chapters we have done this, how we will cut on same table. Suppose if you don't know the cutting, by highest common factor we can also find. See how 48, 18, right? 18 twos are 36, 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1. Now 18, 12 ones are 12, 8 minus 2 6. Now we will write here 12, 6 twos are 12. Now what is your HCF? 6. Now 18 divided by 48 divided by 6. 6 threes are 18, 6 48, 3 upon 8, right? Now see other question you can do, right? Hanji, convert into mixed fractions. Mixed fraction is this number is an improper fraction. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. How? See, 16, 3. 3 5s are 15. 6 minus 5, 1. 1. Now how will you write? 5, it is answer like this. You can write this. 5 into 1 upon 3. 5 into 1 upon 3. Right? Now rest question you will do yourself. Third is convert into improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into improper fraction. How will you do? See, 4 multiplied 2 plus 3 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 upon 4. Rest questions you will do yourself. Okay. Now, which fractions are equivalent? We have given two fractions. We have to tell which fractions are equivalent. Which fractions are equivalent? How? We can find by two methods. One, we will do easy method, right? Easy method is by cross multiply, right? By cross multiply. Okay, students. Now see, 9 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. When you are doing cross multiply, remember students, when you will do cross multiply, always left hand side, what is your numerator? First you will do multiply by this. See, 9 5s are 45 and like this. 3 15s are 3 multiply 15. 9 5s are 45. 15 3s are 45. Yes, both are equal. Then we will write yes, they are equal. Yes, they are equal. Right? Rest questions you will do. Like questions are fractions are equivalent. By cross multiply we can do. Which fraction is less than, greater than or equal? Which number is smaller? Which number is greater? All type of questions you can do by this method. Okay, students. Now the last topic is arrange in ascending and descending order. Right? We have given one question: 4 upon 5, 8 upon 15, 7 upon 10 and 13 upon 20. We have to write in ascending and descending order. Right? Okay. How? First of all, in this type of questions, first of all, we will check all the denominators are same, not same. So what you will do? We will take LCM. LCM of 5, 15, 10, 20. Okay, first of all, on smallest table, 2, 5, 15, 5 2s are 10 and 2 10s are 20. Again 2, 5, 15, 5, 5. Yes, 3, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Now again 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now LCM is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now the all numbers, all these 4 fractions, we will convert into the same denominator. How you will convert? 4 upon 5 multiply denominator 60. 8 upon 15 60. 7 upon 10 60. 13 upon 20 60. Now how will you do? See, 60 divide by 5. 60 divide by 5, 12. Now numerator, with the numerator we will also do multiply. 12 4s are 48. Again I am telling you, 60 divide by 5. Divide by 5. Then 12 will come. With the numerator also multiply. 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. Same other, 60 divided by 15, 4, 4, 8 4s are 32. 60 divided by 10, 6, 6, 7 6 are 42. 60 divided by 20, 3, 13 3s are 39. Now we will write in ascending order. Right students? Ascending order is smallest to greatest. Yes, these numbers are 48 upon 60, 32 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 39 upon 60. With ascending order, smallest to greatest. Okay, first 32 upon 60, this sign, 39 upon 60, and 42 upon 60, and 48 upon 60. Now what is your original numbers? 32 upon 60, 8 upon 15, 39, 13 upon 20, 42, 7 upon 10, 48 upon 60, 4 upon 5. So this is your ascending order, right? If we want to write in descending order, then same. No need to do all the question again, right? No need. We will write as it. Descending order is greatest to smallest. So 4 upon 5, then 7 upon 10, 13 upon 20, 8 upon 15. Yes, right? This is your exercise 2.1. Now students, you can complete your 2.1 and few questions of 2.2 also. Thank you students. Have a nice day.